So here, any website crawled by search engine. How to crawl my website will be on search engine. That is called, we can submit option will be on your call by the search engines. That is called, we can use option call is, so many websites are there. In this first website will be cleversubmit.com. In this submit website, only homepage purpose for fetching for Google purpose, any search engine purpose, the use option call is cleversubmitter.com is a automatic submit by the search engine by the crawl your website. So in your crawl your website will be very important is this whole search engine support by your website for is a single submission. First one, here copy this URL. Before submission, we are using for total two websites, Clever Submitter and the enterweb.com. We can using two websites with along with the email ID is mandatory. Without email ID, the confirmation not by your search engines for submitting. Simple one in this. Anyone asking for how to submit multiple search engine, that is called cleversubmitter.com and enterweb.com. Simply, you can copy this URL and add your email ID, add your thing, now submit for your things. Just fraction of seconds, the submit by the all search engines will be done by in this option. So wait by your scrolling will be site. Once click for submit will be finished. The showing for in this cleversubmitter.com. Next one, same like this. Submit your site, add your email ID, click for proceed. Is asking to select your package. Search and submit only for one time. So that is select for choose plan. The search engine submission, any website we can do only for one time. Please consider only for one time. Once done your search and submission, don't repeat it once again. If you repeat once again, your position will be changed on the search engine part. Any new website for search engine can understand crawl your web pages. You can submit only for one time for automatical submission. For manual purpose, we can using for Google Webmaster tool and Bing Webmaster tool. So in this one, I'm click here. It will be done. So here will be refresh. So here will be not showing anything. You can refresh in this option. As in an accept one. This will be done by your manually option. Be done by which one? Manually option. That is called, here will be I'm submitting here. They're going to click for sign up option. So once sign up, finish on the Bing search engine for crawl purpose. So this is called crawl your website different search engine. One is called Clever Submitter, second will be enterweb.com. See this. Each and every search engine will be done by the submission. The accept time will be 1 hour to 24 hours time in this option. Once confirmation, just go to email. You can receive the emails for confirmation email time also. Some search engine confirm by email confirmation also, but different search engine. In the so many search engine, it all will be submitted by the automatically. Manual purpose you can using for Google Webmaster and different Webmaster tools. So this is called submit your website multiple search engine.